Welcome to Health is Wealth, and today's video we are diving into the top 3 best exercises to strengthen and build your upper back. Number 1. Barbell row. The barbell row is a compound exercise that targets your upper back muscles, especially the traps and lumbaris. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, grip the barbell and pull it towards your lower chest. Keep your core tight and back straight to avoid injury. You can perform this exercise according to this tutorial. Now we are moving toward the second exercise, which is the pulls up. Pulls up are one of the best bodyweight exercises for upper back development. You can see the muscles affected by this exercise. Grip the barbell with your palms facing away from you and pull your body up until your chin passes the bar. Focus on engaging your lats and squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top. Both male and female can perform this exercise and have same benefits for both. It's greatly improves your upper back muscles. Now we are moving to the third, which is the face pulls. Using a rope attachment on a cable machine, face pulls target the rear deltoids and upper back muscles. Pull the rope towards your face while keeping your elbows high and focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together. This exercise helps improve posture and stability. Let's rate our top 3 upper back exercise. Add these to your routine workout to build strength, improve posture and stay injury free. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Health is Wealth for more fitness content. Stay healthy, stay strong and stay safe. See you next time with another amazing exercise.